What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is Debate Brian, and in today's video, I want to share with you some of the things I shared in my early 20s, man. Hope you'll be able to learn from this. And without wasting my time, I want us to get started right now. So one of the things I should know in my early 20s is first impression really matters. The harsh truth about the 21st century is people will judge you based on what you wear. So make sure that you dress in a respectable manner or in an appropriate way according to the situation, because people miss opportunities just because of the way they present themselves. So what I wish I knew is I should work on my wardrobe and make sure before you get out of your house for all, you are well kept and you are tidy, because people will judge you based on how you present yourself. And that's the first thing I wish I knew. Coming second on the things I wish I knew in my early 20s, man, is starting a side hustle. So one of the best things that you can ever do is be independent, and the only way to be dependent on yourself is making your own money. So one of the things I shall knew early in my 20s is starting a side hustle so that I can make my own money. There's nothing sexy like making your own money. So make sure, either if you are in college or where, make sure you start a side hustle. At least you earn something, and that's the only way you'll be able to learn how to start a business, because you have room for improvement, and if you make mistakes you still have room to correct them. Not like when you, as you grow older, the time gets really minimal for making mistakes and correcting them. So that's the second thing I wish I knew in my early 20s. So let's go to the third thing I wish I knew in my early 20s. So that is emotional intelligence. What I wish I knew is working on my emotional intelligence. That is how you respond to situations. Like now, in the year 2020, we were going through the pandemic, and most people had to go through depression just because they lack the knowledge. But I'm not here to blame them, because emotional intelligence is not taught in school. You only learn them through reading books or watching videos or podcasts. So learn how to respond to situations rather than reacting to them. So you should always be able to respond to situations in such a way that you look mature in them. So you should not react in a manner that proves that you are such an ignorant dude or what. So make sure you work on your emotional intelligence, as that's the only way you learn respect on how you respond to situation, and you look mature. So that is the third thing I wish I knew in my early 20s. So coming forward, number 4 on the things I wish I knew in my early 20s is, what was it? Is stop chasing guys, man. Stop chasing women. I know most of you are really active at that age, so keep chasing those spicy senoritas outside there. So it's a waste of time, man. Instead, you should focus on improving yourself to be a better person. Because if you can be able to improve yourself, means you'll be able to attract better people in your life. So work on yourself, improve yourself, and that's the only way you'll attract better people in your life. Coming on point number 5 on the things I knew in my early 20s keeping my circle small, man. The kind of friends you get in your early 20s really have a lot of influence in your life. So make sure you are prudent enough to choose friends who are of benefit and you whom you can count on them and they can count on you, because most people tend to fall into wrong or bad company in the early 20s because you don't know who people are. So you should be wise enough to choose friends who are of good influence to you and who can make you a better person. So those are the 5 things I wish I knew in my early 20s. Hope you have learned something new, and please share this with friends and make sure you subscribe, man. I need your support, and have a nice day.